Many people can't solve this question correctly. Why? Because they make a very tiny mistake. And what is the mistake? But before I say the mistake, tell me, what is the answer to this question? Put your answer in the comments and tell me so I can tell if you made a mistake or if you're correct. Now let's proceed. What is the mistake that most people make while solving questions like this? They use PEMDAS, which is the correct way. Yes, we are to use PEMDAS while solving this. So they solve what is in the bracket first. 10 plus 2 gives 12. So they have 10 divided by 2 bracket 12. And this gives 10 divided by 24. And this gives 10 divided by 24. And this is wrong. 10 divided by 24 is wrong. Why? Because you have to, when you're using the PEMDAS rule, when division and multiplication appear together, you are to solve from left to right. So if division appears before multiplication, you are to divide before you multiply. And if multiplication appears first, that's when you multiply first. So when using this rule, don't follow it blindly. When you get to multiplication and division, you solve from left to right. When you get to addition and subtraction, you solve from left to right. Now, let's solve it the correct way. Yes, we have to solve what we have in the bracket first, that is the parenthesis. 10 plus 2 gives 12, and this becomes 10 divided by 2 bracket 12, which is the same thing as saying 10 divided by 2 then times 12. So we say 10 divided by 2. We divide before we multiply. You don't multiply before you divide. So 10 divided by 2 gives 5, and this becomes 5 times 12. And 5 times 12 is 60, which is the correct answer. So if you solve it the other way, you will be getting the wrong answer. So this is the correct way to solve it. So let me know, did you get 60 when you solved yours, or you got a wrong answer? Let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next one.